Hello people, today we did a couple of dives already, so now we're gonna do the night dive. We'll go back to the Liberty again. Rainwater is getting into the ocean, so that's why also the visibility is not the best one, but it's not that bad. Still okay, especially in the night dives where the distance doesn't really matter. So you have a torch, then you looking at everything closely, right? So that is still fine. Just a little bit of waves, nothing really serious, and I think tomorrow will be even better, so then we can start diving in this area again. My first dive ever I did in Malta, Mediterranean Sea. And that was, when was that? That was 2003, where during the advanced course. And I remember that during that time we did, like, I was lost in a group and we swam through some cavern. It was like a small cave, and I found the watch. That was some Italian watch, and so yeah, and it was still working, and I was like, I was the hero of that day. So that was super. That's my memory from my first night dive. That's it for today, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.